My name is Khadija. I am the founder CEO of Hennasooq. I specialize in henna hair color, both professionally and as a brand owner, and also Ayurvedic healthy hair care. This week's question is something I hear all the time. Does indigo have benefits? You might be wondering, well, I don't even know what indigo is to begin with. So let me give you a quick little tidbit on what indigo actually is. Indigo is a plant, and we import our indigo from India. And this plant creates a natural blue-black kind of stain. And if you use it on its own, it can even pull a little bit of a green tone, a green hue. And so traditionally, a lot of indigo is used to like dye jeans. It'll give you like a bluish, blue jeans, it's coming from the indigo plant. When I was in Morocco, they have indigo actually soaking to dye some of the leather that they have in Fez. It was so cool. You see vats upon vats upon vats of just dyes, like natural dyes. It was so cool. And when it comes to hair, indigo is used with henna to make it more brown to black, because like paints, you have henna, which is pretty reddish, and you got that indigo, which is kind of blue black. Putting it together, you get brown, just like paints. You can get that range of reddish brown, and up to dark brown, and even black tones with indigo. A lot of people wonder, like, does it have any benefits on its own, like at all? No, unfortunately, indigo doesn't really have a whole lot of other benefits. Its purpose is to dye, and that's what its main purpose is. It definitely dyes the hair, but it doesn't really give any oomph to the hair. That's its job, and it does its job, and boom, then you've got great color, and coverage for sure. And it definitely covers grays as well. So there you have it. That's what indigo is about. And I hope that you'll hit subscribe, get notified, so that way you can stay tuned for more Ask Hennasooq questions. If you want to know more about indigo, how to mix it, how to use it, just type in indigo in the search bar, and it'll pull up all the great content we have about indigo right here on our Hennasooq channel. Don't forget, this Sunday, next video drops, so don't miss out. Something you do not want to miss.